Not all protein is created equal. Protein can be found in a variety of foods, but some sources of protein are better at supporting muscle growth and weight management. Proteins are made of different combinations of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids the body uses as building blocks to do everything from making muscle to creating enzymes. Protein sources that don't have all 9 essential amino acids, ones that the body can't make and that must come from your diet, are considered incomplete proteins. These include grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. Protein sources that do have all 9 essential amino acids, and in the right amounts, are considered complete proteins. These include milk, chicken, beef, fish, yogurt, and eggs. For muscle building, whey protein is superior to all other protein sources because it's high in branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs. BCAAs can be absorbed quickly and efficiently stimulate muscle growth, especially if taken after exercise. Studies show that whey protein, in the right amounts, about 20 to 40 grams per meal, can help you keep more muscle as you lose weight and with age. It can even help you boost your metabolism and stimulate fat loss more than other types of protein. Not all protein is created equal. You need the right kind, in the right amount, at the right time. Look no further than the high-quality undenatured whey protein in optimal amounts found in Isagenix isolene shakes and bars.